Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Christine and we are going to run outside real quick. I saw that one of my squash are ready to harvest, so I thought I'd bring you with and then do a quick update. I've got a few surprises that my husband did for me while I was gone on vacation, so come on with. Okay friends, I think today is the day. I'm coming out in the morning to check on my squash. Ooh, and I got a lot of bee action. Let's see if we can catch one in action. I think I've got one squash. Oh yeah, here they are. They're going in and out of the flowers, which is really exciting. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pluck this, but I've got this one here. Well, two coming. And then I guess I'm just going to kind of reach in there and grab it. So there we go. There's that one. I just didn't want it to go too much longer because it was starting to get just a little bit discolored. And then I've got these. Good morning, Mr. Cardinal. And then these are really like splayed out nice. So I've got, I see something plucked something off here. I've got my peppers just starting to happen. And there's one. Let's see, right in there. Oh, and the bees are going crazy. So this one did kind of grow a little funny, so it literally is a stalk. And so we did put this stick inside there to kind of prop it up. And then my winter squash, I just did some fertilizing yesterday. And then my other peppers here, I'm hoping that they'll make it. This one's got a nice blossom here. So this is my winter squash just starting to blossom. And I did plant the marigolds by it. So just another update too is that we ended up getting one more of the raised garden beds. My husband, I was gone on vacation and we ordered it, picked it up, and my husband surprised me when I got home and had it all put together. So yeah, we've got the two raised garden beds now in the sunniest part of our yard. And the other surprise was, instead of one rain barrel, I now have two. And we finally did get a rain the other day that did fill them back up. So I've got a little bit of a hot mess going on out here, but we've got those filled up. We're supposed to be getting rain again. So I'm trying to utilize what we have in the buckets first. And then he cut this little tiny hose so that we can fill there. And then we did put the stand on both of them. And we've got the diverter kit that comes right from there to there to there. So this one is a little bit lower so that the water, once it fills up to that level, then it starts shooting into that one. So I just thought I'd show you a harvest for the day, and then I'll probably have, actually I probably have a strawberry or two also. So I will just show you up here. We did put a sun sail up, and then my other tomato plants. My mint is going crazy. You saw my dill in the other one. I do pretty much check it every day to make sure that I'm not losing any seeds. And then this is my little yellow pear tomato plant. It's doing really good. I've got quite a few tomatoes on it. My basil is still going nuts. I've got to do a little more plucking on that and dehydrating. And some more pepper plants, which we'll see what happens. And then my tomato plant, my little cherry tomato plant, which isn't so little anymore. I've got probably 1.5 dozen tomatoes left on it to go. And yeah, I wanted to see if that one strawberry here. Oh yeah, I'm still getting strawberries, so that's exciting. I'm just gonna pluck that one. And it still looks really good. I've got quite a few more. I kind of do the flip every day. I flip it around. And I've got a few more strawberries there. And then this is the other winter squash, which is literally just starting to blossom. So I'm hoping some of those bees make it over. I did some pruning, some fertilizing, and this one's hanging down. It's already grown like probably 3 feet since we put it in here about a week and a half ago. So that's just a quick update. I just thought I'd show you. I do have some carrots here that will be ready here. They're little rainbow carrots. But I just thought I'd show you my very first squash of the season. I know it's pretty late. I do live in the, I believe, zone 5. So everything's a little bit later here. And yeah, I'll close up the video. Okay friends, how awesome was that? I got a crook neck squash. Say that 10 times. I did manage to pull some of the rainbow carrots. They're actually really interesting. They have dark burgundy outer coating, and then the inside is orange, and then there also are orange carrots as well. I did pluck some tomatoes, and then of course my strawberry that I went and grabbed. So thanks for stopping by, and what do you think of the other rain barrel? I'm so happy. My husband really surprised me. And then also, I knew we had bought the other raised garden bed, but he put it all together while I was gone and did the dirt, did all of that. So he probably didn't want to be on video again, right? So thanks for stopping by. And what are you guys doing? What are you harvesting these days? So leave it down in the comments below. And if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. That one of my crooked neck, how is that again? Crooked neck squash, maybe? Let's see. Okay friends, how awesome was that? I got my first crooked, oh, good golly, crook neck. Okay friends, how awesome was that? I got my first crook-necked squash. I can't get through it, can I? Crook neck squash.